Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're talking about balance between woodworking and family. Now I just got back yesterday from a trip to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee with my wife. You know, I needed to get away, she needed to get away, and as a couple, we needed a getaway. So it was a good time to take a trip, you know, a short weekend trip, and we come back. I ain't gonna lie, I feel refreshed, renewed. You know, I'm ready to tackle the jobs, the issues, you know, everything I got going on here. But it made me think while I was down there, people put everything ahead of their family. Now, and I was horrible about doing it. I work in the factory where I'm there 12 hours a day, sometimes longer. And I come home and I just want to chill, be by myself for a little bit, you know, wind down, break down. But at the same time, I'm neglecting time with my wife. We can't do that. My day's off. I'm in my shop. You know, the only day I won't work is Sunday. So that trip, it was good for me to get clarity of spend time with your wife. That balance that I was lacking, I'm putting forth, and I'm creating a balance versus my issues and just kind of neglecting her. And I feel a lot of people does that, you know. So what we started doing, and I'm hoping this helps others, is a date night once a week. Just have a date night. Just relax, spend time together, go see a movie, dinner, whatever. Just, it don't have to be nothing huge, you know, just time together. Now, a lot of people, they have, or, you know, y'all have kids, y'all have, you know, ball games, all this. That's great. Take your kids to the ball game. Take your kids out to see that movie they want to see. Take them camping, fishing. If your kid is old enough, take them in the shop with you. You know, I'm not going to tell you what age is good for that, but take them in the shop with you and teach them a thing or two. You might end up having a new shop buddy, a new, you know, apprentice that you can teach. But time with your spouse is very, very important. You know, make sure you don't neglect your husband, wife duties, whatever, for time in the shop. So do date night, you know, take that trip every now and then. You ain't got to do nothing really dramatic. You know, you ain't got to take them to Italy or anything. You know, go, you know, take them to the beach once a year. You know, go, like we went to Pigeon Forge, go to the mountains. Spend time with your spouse. Spend time with your kids. And you might just get that clarity that you needed. It'll make for a very happy home once you get back. Y'all keep that in mind. God bless.